Hello there. Welcome to Concentrating. In this video will be a drill regarding hedging. So for those struggling with that, prepare. Please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos. And let's get to it. I'm going to flip a coin. At this point, it's going to be short. I'm going to go short based on the CME guidelines for the treasuries. Short 2 on this. I'm going to use the UB and the ZN to hedge this position. So doing so, I'll be looking to go 5 lots, say, long. And the point of this drill is not to make money. What you want to do in this drill is hit break even. You want to be able to make it so that you neither lost nor won. Because if you were doing this about willy-nilly and you ended up getting it so that you might have won some money or might have lost some money, that doesn't show you hedged. That just shows you might have got lucky. So I see this is now going up. I want to start hedging against that. So I'll place an order here, possibly to buy, so that I can start hedging against this loss, we'll call it. It's best to use one set of contracts to match what you are starting positioning with. If you're going to be doing this on an equities, you want to make sure to double check to see what a good ratio might be. You know, say like 2 ES to 1 NQ, something like that. I'm unsure, but you want to double check those sort of things if you're going to be doing this exercise on there. Thus far, I'm not doing too well in getting any fills. So maybe a bit more aggressive. Start chasing into it a little bit. This seems like I might be selling it on this side. Could be an opportunity for it to come down on these as well. Didn't get any fills on this side. Definitely more interest towards the long side thus far. The funniest thing is some people will get nervous when it comes to not aiming for a positive PNL, even though it's the drill. Drill point is, of course, I'm going to reiterate, to get to nothing at the end of the session. I'll set this video for about 30 minutes and look to see if we can get this drill done as best as possible. Slight interest, but not as much as where it's heading towards the upside. We got our fill out from here. You want to try not to really keep an eye too much on P&Ls, but I have them up just so we get an idea of what our hedging idea looks like. I'm going to look to purchase some UB now that it has a chance to backstick. As again, there's not as much interest going downside on the left side of the curve. So I'll look to see if I can profit more on the right side. Hedge a bit of what's on here. So far, so good. I think I'm a bit flat at the moment. And while doing this drill, you're going to keep this position open the entire time, because this is what we're aiming for. That by the end of the session, when I finally close this out on a timer, it's so that we finish the session with nothing made, nothing lost. I prefer using this drill on the treasuries because they have a better correlation, and there's little spreads that start to form between them that you can take advantage of. And they don't move exactly in sync, because if they move exactly in sync, there would be no edge. There would be no opportunities, no small chances to get in, to take advantage of. And the reason we do these drills and these drill videos is, in my opinion, drills are the best form of learning order flow, because it's the screen time you put in and the meaningful directed practice. So in this drill specifically, I am practicing to hedge. I am looking to learn and build that mental muscle regarding hedging, of knowing what to look for, where to enter, and how much to enter with. Of course, if you wanted to actually create a strategy off of these sort of things and earn, an income based on this sort of trading, you of course would be skewing your other hedges a bit differently and looking to maybe build out this position while you wait for your hypothesis to work out. But that's not the point of this drill video. The point of this video is just as a practice to get in the hang of reading the way it moves and aim for break even. Not looking to take too many active positions, as our position in the middle hasn't moved too far. And the trades I did earlier, I have currently hedged as close as I can to break even with this one. If anything, I'm probably gaining some money. So it's time to start shorting some of this stuff. Misclicked, meant to hit the 4 in the limit. I'll just hit break even for now, so I can readjust it. Taking a loss here so that I can hedge the possibility that this is going to start going into profit. Some people consider the treasuries a bit slow and boring, but I think it's the best for drills, as it just gives you that chance to think, to read. as opposed to our correlations drill video, I am using the inside columns now to get a read for the interest regarding each part of the curve. To note right now that this price, of course, being the POC, is the price that has the most interest. And we have a kind of imbalanced view of higher prices, which would make sense regarding how a good chunk of the trades makes it very difficult to go short, even though the biggest quote unquote winner was a short on the ZN. We're starting to gain some profits now. Let's start looking to maybe take a long. See if we can quick scalp on that one. The highest traded price is shifted down. Interest might be coming lower. We'll take a loss to hedge for the fact we're starting to gain some win on this one. In about 2 minutes, I actually might cut this video short instead of a full 30-minute session, as we are starting to slow down and I don't want to put you guys to sleep. Once we hit a clean 15 minutes for this position, look to maybe take a loss here. Good chance of taking a loss on this side. Finish this last trade on the UB, and I'll flatten it all. Oh, UB, what a surprising twist. Not expecting a sweep to occur. Look to take a small winner. begin looking to finish off the video. It's complete. Seeing what we end up with. Our long-timed position of our ZB ended up making us a profit of 62.50. We earned off our ZN hedge 25 plus 156.25, 62.50 from our UB. We lost then another 62.50. Lost 31.25. And then we gained 62.50. So unfortunately, I did make a profit. And unfortunately, that is not the point of the drill. The point of the drill was to become break even, to earn nothing. I failed in this sort of drill, and it's obvious that I need to practice some more. But that is the main point of the drill. Thank you for watching. Of course, make sure to comment the direction of our future videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.